gardening in New Mexico is different from gardening in other areas of the country. The arid Southwest presents a range of challenges, from sandy and clay soils to extreme temperatures and limited water supplies. The state's Extension Master Gardeners are experts in this type of gardening and present accurate, science-based information to their local communities. For example, how to manage pests, amend soil, encourage pollinators, and plant beautiful water-wise gardens that will thrive under local conditions. Active Extension Master Gardener chapters exist in counties throughout the state and are run by New Mexico State University's Cooperative Extension Service. Extension specialists and county agents facilitate the training curriculum that focuses on horticultural best management practices and environmental stewardship. Each year, residents enroll in the program, attend online and in-person classes, and fulfill required volunteer hours through sponsored community service activities. Extension Master Gardeners attend classes and workshops throughout their time in the organization so they can share the most current scientific information considering our changing growing environment. They are lifelong learners who enjoy sharing their knowledge with others. As volunteer educators, they teach workshops, attend county events, conduct garden tours, mentor other gardeners, staff helplines, and interact with children and adults of all ages. Extension Master Gardeners help promote school and community gardens, and they have some of the most diverse and beautiful gardens in the state. Some Extension Master Gardener projects continue to grow and donate thousands of pounds of fresh produce to their local food pantries. The Extension Master Gardener program fosters personal leadership growth of its members, from leading team projects and committees to working with municipalities and various community stakeholders to create community spaces that celebrate the beauty and diversity of the land of enchantment. For more information on becoming an Extension Master Gardener, please visit mastergardeners.nmsu.edu.
What I really enjoy about being a Master Gardener is learning from all of the experts through New Mexico State and the County Extension Office, and learning from my fellow Master Gardeners.
What I enjoy most about being a Master Gardener is the ability to connect with the community, talk to people about agriculture and gardening.
I get to work in a place where I can do habitat restoration for wildlife and teach people how they can have wildlife in their yard and have a beautiful yard at the same time.
I also like working with the public. Part of what we do is to answer questions about all kinds of things about plants, and I enjoy teaching.
My favorite part about the Master Gardener program is the sense of community and really coming together as an organization to make a difference.
And in this particular garden, I like that we donate all of the food to the Healthy Food Bank.
And the other thing is just, the camaraderie, the sharing time with people who have the same interest.
You can go to a place like the Rose Garden and really do some earthly good, quite literally.
I've grown to learn a great deal more, even though I thought I already knew a lot. So it's a wonderful experience.